Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a face mask with baking soda, egg white, plain yogurt and lemon juice for wrinkles, age control, blemishes, acne, scars, etc. Please, if you find this video useful and helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video with your friends and your loved ones. Also click on the post notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. Also, I want to use this opportunity to thank my new and old subscribers. Thank you for being there for me. So get a bowl, squeeze your lemon juice into the bowl. This should be 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Get another bowl, add your baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. The next ingredient is egg. We are going to make use of egg whites today for this video, so separate the egg white from the egg yolk. And the last ingredient is yogurt. Plain yogurt, unsweetened yogurt. Get another bowl, mix all of these ingredients together. First, place the baking soda into the bowl, after which you add your lemon juice, baking soda when combined with acid must make a reaction. There must be a reaction, so we are combining baking soda and lemon juice together. That's why it's foaming. It's foaming. Allow it cool down. The next ingredient to add to this mixture is the yogurt. Mix together thoroughly till it's well combined. Then add your egg white. The egg white is the last ingredient to add to the mask. Mix all of these ingredients together till it's well combined. Keep moving your spoon, keep turning to form a smooth paste. So for application, I'm going to be making use of the back of my hands for demonstration. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes depending on you, and that's it. If you watched this video to the ending, I love you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.